Hey everybody, this is Keybridge Hobby Network. First, once again, I want to thank everybody for checking out my channel. And today, I'm going to talk about what comes inside the box of the DJI Spark Fly More Combo. So here we go. On the far left here in the back is the main box, where all the items that you see here, believe it or not, fits inside this box. Over here we have the instructions. You got the charging dock, your flight controller, main aircraft, prop guards, USB cable, mini USB cable, 2 flight batteries, 2 spare props from the front, 2 in the rear, storage box, charge cable, charger, and the carry bag. And that's it, everybody. On my next video, I'm going to talk about what I think about the DJI Spark, my thoughts are, and how much I enjoy flying this little thing. It is the most advanced drone that I have in my collection. So I'm gonna talk about that on my next video. Until next time.